Welcome to the Teatrx step-by-step guide on using the Mago app. We pride ourselves in creating the easiest-to-use meeting rooms in the world. To achieve this, we have partnered with Mago, the leading app for seamless workspace integration. Watch how Teatrx, powered by Mago's technology, is revolutionizing the meeting room. This video will focus on the calendar sync function. Let's get started. While using the Mago app on your mobile device, touch the Meetings button in the top left. You will be prompted to select a calendar to see appointments. Touch Select. Now, select a service which you would like to sync. Within that service, choose the specific calendar you would like to sync. Touch Done when completed. To access your meetings, touch the Start on Room button on the calendar event you wish to enter. You will be asked to scan a QR code or enter a verification PIN, and your meeting will automatically begin. Thank you for exploring the calendar sync function of the Mago app. Do you still have questions? Call or email anytime. From all of us at Teatrx, thanks for watching.